The 10 Commandments of Motorcycling, from Police Motorcycle Roadcraft Manual 1965. Number 1. Know the highway code by heart and put it into practice. Number 2. Concentrate all the time and you will avoid accidents. Number 3. Think before acting. Number 4. Exercise restraint and hang back when necessary. Number 5. Ride with deliberation and overtake as quickly as possible. Number 6. Use speed intelligently and ride fast only in the right place. Number 7. Develop your motorcycle sense and reduce wear and tear to a minimum. Number 8. Use your horn thoughtfully. Give proper signals. Never black out your headlight. Number 9. Be sure your motorcycle is roadworthy and know its capabilities. Number 10. Perfect your roadcraft and acknowledge courtesies extended to you by other road users. Thank you and enjoy your motorcycling. For more words of wisdom from Tango Pasty, click like and subscribe. Chin chin, what, and tally ho.